Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is a clean with me video. Now this is going to be a organize my vanity, and I did get new makeup, so I just wanted to share with you how I organize, and I am getting rid of some stuff. Yeah, we were out of town and I just piled up everything on my vanity. As you can see, that Chicken Express cup. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So if you are here watching this video, this is a sign for you to get up and clean with me, and I hope you find some motivation in today's video. Now let's get started. Okay, so I don't know how you keep your makeup brushes, but I do keep mine here in this drawer, and I know I should probably put them in like a container, which I've been meaning to go to the container store because I do need to buy some like kitchen organizing stuff. But let me know, where do you keep your makeup brushes? I used to keep them out on the counter, but obviously, you know, it collects dust and everything. So one thing I do also is I do change out the towel where they're sitting because I know obviously bacteria. But yeah, I will be washing my makeup brushes tomorrow, so yeah. And here I am showing you my pretty planner that I got from Target. This is actually my third year that I've used a planner, but this year, like 2021, I'm actually like really writing stuff down because now that I have a baby, it actually just helps me keep track of everything that I need to do, groceries and everything, all my errands. If I write it down and if I see it, like, I'll remember. I don't know why I just can't write it on my iPhone, but yeah. Okay, so this is my little vanity mirror. I like this mirror, but I just feel like I need something bigger, like with like LED lights, not like the big old vanity mirrors with the bulbs, just something more like modern type, just a bigger mirror. And I'm on the hunt for one because this one is just not cutting it for me anymore, and plus the battery ran out and I'm not fixing to do all that. Okay, so right here in this part, I had to pause the video. I had to get baby. She was in the crib and she was just not having it. She needed a nap and she was just being fuzzy, and also she is teething already. She's 5 months. Can you believe that? But yeah, I had to take a little break, but yeah. And so here is my mini makeup collection. I would say that I started collecting my makeup like 2 years ago, when I really actually got into like, makeup and like the good foundations and concealers. But I love me my blush. But yeah, here I am showing you the containers that I picked up from Home Goods. Now I know you can find these at IKEA, you can find these at the Container Store, but obviously on Home Goods they're gonna be like $2.99 a piece depending on the size. But these are actually really good quality. I've had these for 3 years now and they've lasted me, and they're just pretty good. Like, I like how it has a little silicone inside. Let me just tell you a little bit about the lip scrub and the lip mask that I'm using. So I'm using the MAC lip scrub, and I believe it's like $18 for the lip scrub, and then the lip mask that I'm using is the Laneige. I think that's how you say it. It's pretty good. Like, I use it every other night. Obviously I don't scrub my lips every night, but if you want to get into like lip scrub mask, check out Ulta. They have some. I know the Tree Hut one. And then also there's this other brand called Lush. You can find that store at the mall, and they have like bath bombs and all that. But my favorite one right now is this MAC lip scrub. It's really good. Alright, I want to ask a question. Are you into like powder blushes or cream blushes? Let me know down in the comments. I'm interested into knowing what kind of blushes you are, powder or cream. I've recently switched over to cream, just because I like how it actually like soaks in the skin, like it oxidizes in really well, and I just like how it looks more, what's the word? I can't even think right now. So this is like organized to me, even though I kind of piled up, one thing on top of another. But trust me, this is organized for me. Later on in the future, I will organize, my blushes all in one column, my foundations all in one column. But for now, this works for me. So when I was organizing my jewelry, my baby, she needed some attention. She was not trying to go to sleep, and so she's gonna make an appearance right about now. You see her little feet. We were out of town, and she just missed mama. She just wanted me to hold her, and I was trying to put her down for a nap when I started recording this video, but she was just not having it. I guess because I had the big old LED light, ring light on, so that was bothering her. But once I picked her up, she was okay. Also, let me know down in the comments if you are interested in a perfume collection, or more like a spring summer collection. I did pick up some new fragrances, so let me know down in the comments if you're interested in a fragrance perfume video. And look at my baby. She loves her new crib. We switched her over from the bassinet to this crib, and she just loves it. Look at her. So here what you see is my everyday wear, like my hair stuff, my deodorant, my lotion, my body spray, and my perfume. And we have made it to the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you got some motivation from watching this video. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.